What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with more content. And today we're going to be covering how to enable the FPS counter in Steam. Now the question is, why do you want to do this? Well, first of all, it's kind of cool if you're a techie person and you just want to see the performance of your game. You want to see if you're getting really high FPS while you're playing. But in my situation, you can see that I have Mortal Kombat 1 pulled up here. And I haven't really been able to play it because I have a really bad stuttering issue. And I haven't been able to find a remedy yet, though I've tried a few things. So when I launch the game, I want to see right away if it's going to perform very well, or I'm going to continue to have issues that are going to give me really low FPS. And when we say really low FPS, we're talking like 6, 7, or 8. So all things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So once again, here we are in Steam and I'm in my library, but it doesn't matter if you are in the store or if you are in the community or if you are on your profile page there. We can still access the option that we need to enable the FPS counters. So we're going to go to the option Steam in the top left hand corner and click on that. And then we're going to have a drop down menu. We're going to look for settings and click on that as well. This is going to pull up a new box and we're going to look for the option in-game and click on that. Then we'll look for our in-game FPS counter. We want to make sure that we enable it, so we're going to click on the drop down menu to the right. And as for enabling it, you can also select the location. So maybe you want it in the top left, top right, or bottom left. Now for me, I like the FPS counter in the top left. And then we also have another feature I like to enable. We have the in-game FPS counter high contrast color. This is not necessary, but I like it because it gives us a really nice contrast of green, especially against a dark screen like black. So I just think that really looks nice, but you don't have to enable it. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
Yeah.